United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 36. High seas routes or routes through exclusive economic zones through straits used for international navigation. This part does not apply to a strait used for international navigation, if there exists, through the strait a route through the high seas, or through an exclusive economic zone of similar convenience with respect to navigational and hydrographical characteristics. In such routes, the other relevant parts of this convention, including the provisions regarding the freedoms of navigation and overflight, apply.